Oh, yep, we're doing it again. Quilt Nation, Quilt Marine here. So I gotta change the room around. Making some moves, right? So I need to move some stuff around, get the room more organized because I have something to share. I know you're all like, oh, what is it? Yep, got my long arm, it's coming. So I gotta clean up, I gotta get everything organized so my feng shui, as my wife says, looks better than it is. So my plan is I'm gonna cut down my workstation in half and then push it into the wall and then utilize the space from the middle of the room for the long arm. It's a 12-inch, it's gonna be on a 12-inch table. I mean a 12-foot table. And I got it for a great price. I couldn't believe the price I got it for. I'm gonna leave you in suspense in what it is, but I'm so excited. So I'm cleaning up now, and my wife is seeing how messy and how many thread pieces and pieces of fabric are all over the floor. But it's a quilter's wife's life. So look, stay tuned, okay? Don't worry about that on the wall, but you know what? That's gonna get quilted by yours truly, right? That's gonna be great. I can't wait to start doing my own long arm quilting, and I can't wait to share the journey, okay? So look, I'm rambling on. I just want to get this organized. I'll keep you posted, all right? Remember, it's only fabric and it's only thread.